Hello guys, welcome again to our live stream for Bitcoin. Well, let's talk about now the 4-hour chart. Let me tell you something. One day chart for all the altcoins and Bitcoin is the same. Yeah. So, well, let's talk about the 4-hour chart right now. Okay, the prediction yesterday for Bitcoin was, well, first of all, let me check again. One day chart here, right? So I said Bitcoin, as long as holding this area between $43,000 42, that is the key area. Actually macro time frame is a key, very important area. We need to see the close weekly chart closing about here. But my projection yesterday and all this week and last week is like this, right? The pullback, now we are here in the pullback, right? So you are feeling like, okay, Bitcoin now is going to zero, you were waiting for the pullback. Let me tell you something, the pullback now is here. So what are you gonna do? Just ask to yourself. Now, the probabilities to go to the upside are higher right now. Why? Because, well, first of all, Bitcoin is not dropping anymore, it's in sideways. So that is that was the expectation yesterday. So I said we need to see Bitcoin in sideways here, yeah, between 42, 43, around this area. And after that, if we see this, something like this, well, that is a very good signal. And second, let me tell you something. Well, the squeeze or curve, whatever you're using, is almost testing the zero line, and Bitcoin, technically speaking, is not crashing, is holding this. Of course, maybe a couple days more, maybe this weekend we will see the buy signal here. Maybe Monday we will see the buy signal, maybe. But if you are gonna wait for this, I mean, first of all, I am a financial advisor, of course, right? But if you don't see, if you are gonna wait for this, maybe, okay, formally speaking, you are right, but you will catch maybe the price a little bit higher, around 44, 45. I am not saying you have to buy right now, of course, I am a financial advisor, but in my case, I am actually, yesterday and today, I found some altcoins. In the investing channel, they know the list because it's the same list. I posted like three or four weeks ago, 1 month ago, and I am just buying. Technically, I am buying because I am following my technical analysis, of course, right? So, as long Bitcoin is holding here and it's in sideways, the projection is the same as yesterday, like this, right? Okay, now we have the 1-day chart very clear, and as you can see here, the curve is almost testing the zero line. In a couple, maybe this weekend, you will see something like this. Something very interesting here. Bitcoin is getting ready for a major move in 1-day chart. Okay, so this contraction phase here, as you can see here, every time when you see the contraction, yeah, you will see minimum $10,000 or $15,000 move. Now, in the context of this technical analysis, of course, I'm not saying Bitcoin is going to the moon like this, right? No, it's a process. It's a process, right? So we have levels. First of all, the most speculation, at least minimum, Bitcoin is gonna test $44,000, $46,000, and here, let's talk again about what is gonna happen. Okay, my speculation here. So we have two big areas, right? So when you see Bitcoin at 45, 46, and you wanna buy again, the question is gonna be why you didn't buy here. Yeah. It's about psychology of trading, okay? Because people, when they see red candle, they think it's gonna crash. When they see green candle, to the moon, right? So please manage your emotions, okay? So here, sideways, 1-day chart, and it's looking very good. I am not expecting a break this week. I don't think so, because actually today's Friday, so this weekend we will see potentially the signal. Now, one thing here in 4-hour chart. In 4-hour chart, yes, you are right. You are following. You know my strategy here. The ADX is still positive here, but because it's not dropping, so that means in any moment, maybe today, we will see the ADX getting negative here. And when you see this, you will see the price around testing maybe around $44,000, $45,000, maybe in the next 24 hours around here, this area. And from here, it depends. You are trading 4-hour chart, but technically speaking, you should close your position here. Or if you are thinking Bitcoin is to the moon here because 1-day chart is looking better, well, you have two options. Protect your entry here and wait. Let's see what is going to happen because we don't know the future, right? Or just take profits around here. It will happen, of course. That is my projection yesterday, and it's the same as today. Same projection today. So Bitcoin is going to test the MA21, MA55 around here between this area. A little bit higher because I want to see some shorts killed here because some people, they are, well, let me explain. Someone sent me this. It's because this triangle, outer triangle, right? Yeah, the technical target for this triangle is, well, Bitcoin to 42. Actually, no, sorry, this one, it was wrong from here. They did this. The chart someone sent me, it was like this. Something like this. Yeah. the technical target from this is around $40,000. Yeah, that is the technical target for this triangle. You know, I don't follow patterns. I don't follow rectangles, triangles, rainbows, whatever. I don't follow that kind of things. Okay, so based on my experience in the markets, you will see all the people who enter in short here in this area around 44, 45, they will get killed. Bitcoin is gonna move here around here, killing all the shorts here, and people will enter long here, thinking to the moon, and they will get red again. So this is like the business, right? Remember, trading in the markets is a business. Okay, so be careful with your positions. Always risk management is the most. Okay, so today in the next 24 hours, as I said yesterday, same thing. I am expecting Bitcoin is gonna test around between $45,000, maybe a little bit higher here. And if you see 1 hour chart here, let me show you, because we are trading 4 hour chart right now, right? I am using I'm gonna share with you my way of trading 1 hour chart and 4 hour chart. Okay, so right now we have bullish divergences here. Well, actually already play out here, but the most important thing here is the ADX is getting negative here, and also the curve is testing the zero line here, and the price is not crashing. So that means the momentum to the upside is higher. So from here, I am in long position from around 43,500 around this area, and I am speculating here. Why? In the moment when we see this bounce here, you will see potentially the, let me change here the, yeah, you will see the ADX in 4 hour chart getting negative. So I am trying to anticipate the move. That is the thing when you're using double two screen system, or three, or I don't know. I'm using two or three, depends on the time frame, right? So I can be wrong, yes, of course. You want to wait for confirmation, just watch 4 hour chart and just wait for the swing trade. In my case, I am trying to catch a little bit better price position. Okay, so this is not gonna crash right now. The OBB is getting healthy, and we have some signals here in the choppiness index. So that means the move, in 1 hour chart is getting ready to move, and also we have contraction phase here in the volatility. So that means the price in 1 hour chart here is contracting, it's not moving. So that means the next move is gonna be a little bit significant. Okay, so that is my speculation for our chart, and I wanted to show you here. I hope this time I am a little bit more clear. I'm trying to be more clear with my way of trading, because I can see people sometimes they have many questions, so I hope this time is better. Okay, so let's continue with the normal technical analysis. Okay, for our chart, well, I finished. It's a bounce here, and also many altcoins yesterday many of them they had the entry yesterday. And as I said in my personal opinion, I am not waiting for I am buying some altcoins that I know in macro time frames they are very good. They are looking very good, yeah. And I am not waiting 100% for the 1 day buy signal, because potentially when we see the buy signal in altcoins, they will be a little bit higher. That's why I am buying, for example, Solana. Solana was 115, 112 yesterday, and now it's 125, something like that. So that's why I bought yesterday. So let's continue with the technical analysis for Bitcoin. Now, remember, this strategy, you can apply this for all the market, not just cryptocurrency, stocks, or whatever you are using. Okay, trading, sorry. Now, let's talk about the 12-hour chart. Okay, first of all, here we have the slope is getting positive here in the curve. So that means here, that means you will see potentially buy signal today and this weekend. And I can tell you right now, based on my experience, this is potential bear trap. Yeah, any close about $44,000, you will see actually very quick leg up to all the way up to $45,000, $46,000 around here, killing all the shorts around here. Okay, so this is looking more like a bear trap right now. And also we don't have bullish divergences, we don't have volume. That's why I am not expecting. I mean, Bitcoin is going to the moon right now. Of course not. I am expecting some pullbacks, for example, something like this, right? Something like this, yeah. but the price is doing very good actually. Yeah. Now, something I am watching right now is the ADX. If I see 12-hour chart getting negative here, the slope is getting negative here, and Bitcoin is around 44, 45, I will keep my long position. Yeah. And let me be clear, I am still in long position for 30 around here, 38, 200, 250. Yeah, this is my exact position here, and I close 50% of all my position around here. I close around here, sorry, here, this area. I close my position 50%, and I am still in long position because I am planning to sell or close my position maybe when I see macro time frames will sell signal. Same thing I did in last year when Bitcoin was at in this area, and I had my position in short for almost 3 months, actually 3 months. So, okay, now let's talk about the 1-day chart. As you can see here, if 4-hour chart is gonna print a buy signal maybe today, maximum maybe today, 12-hour is gonna fire a buy signal. Well, the probabilities for this to see more upside around 44, 45 actually are quite big. So I think that is my conclusion. Of course, OBB is still healthy, so nothing happened here. Okay, that's why my technical analysis yesterday was just watching Netflix, because we didn't have any setup yesterday. So okay, now let's continue with something very important is the USDT dominance. I am watching very carefully USDT dominance. Why? Because in macro time frames is looking more bullish. Okay, that is something very concerning for Bitcoin. Okay, remember, Bitcoin and USDT. Well, you are new in the market in this live stream. I am using USDT dominance as a contrarian indicator. I created an indicator where I can use here, and sorry, let me show you here. I missed it actually. There is something very concerning right now. We have sell signal for the Bitcoin against USDT dominance. So what does that mean? Well, right now USDT dominance is getting bullish. So that means Bitcoin is gonna have a hard time, at least sideways. That is the best scenario I'm looking for Bitcoin right now here, this area. Yes, but as long as we have this sell signal present here in this indicator, that means USDT dominance is getting stronger. Okay, now let me tell you something very important right now here is for example, macro time frames. If I show you here, well, no, let me show you here the 5-day chart. The slope here is very high, so I mean the ATR is very far away. I was expecting to see the ATR getting closer here because this is a potential buy signal. So, but in general, we are still in downtrend, or Bitcoin is not very strong against USD dominance. Okay, we need to be careful about these kind of things. Okay, well, at least in my case. So today chart we have buy signal here. Well, actually last week. So, and today chart is saying we have potential range or falling. So I am expecting Bitcoin is going to enter in range here again here. Other test to maybe 46, 47 in maybe next week, and from there we will see what is going to happen. So let me just move to the USDT dominance because I think it's very important. I need to tell you this because, well, usually when I see something like this in macro time frames, I am defensive. Okay, let me show you this. I was studying yesterday after the live stream. I was studying the macro time frames of USDT, and I can tell you something right now. This setup is very bullish. It's very bullish. So maximum target for Bitcoin, it could be 48, 49, 50, 55, maximum, yes, but no more than that, because this is very bullish. Let me tell you something. Maybe this month, April, is gonna be the last month in green for Bitcoin, at least just this month. Why? Because USDT dominance is gonna test the 0 line here and tell me, is this crashing? No, right? It's not crashing. So this month, sideways maybe here, but in general, the projection is to the upside. If I see 5-day chart the curve or the squeeze, whatever you're using, crossing the center line here and is not crashing is a big, big warning sign for all the crypto markets. Okay, I am telling you this right now, same as I did in September, October 2021, same as I did in the beginning, in the first week or second week of March, when I was getting ready for actually significant move for Bitcoin, and I am ready to tell you this maybe a couple of weeks before, because if this happen, this is gonna happen. I mean, if I see something like this, be ready, because maybe the ABC correction I was expecting for Bitcoin is not gonna come. We will not see that maybe in May or June. Maybe we will see. We will see maybe in May, not June. The big correction for Bitcoin. So this is very concerning. Okay. Now let me tell you something else. Weekly chart, we have range or falling, right? Range or falling, perfect. The target always, according to my way of trading, my system is testing the MA55, and after that, what? Continuation. This is a very healthy uptrend in weekly chart. So maybe more sideways here, a little bit here. Any confirmation about this, maybe maximum 1 week or two, you will see other test to $4 with 0.78. So that means Bitcoin is gonna break down. Now, one thing here I wanna show you is the monthly without indicators. Just I wanna show you the price action. The price action, this is a breakout in progress. Okay, breakout in progress. That's why I am telling you right now, a couple of weeks before, I started saying this in January, February, or every time. In 2022, I am very, very defensive in the markets. Okay, very defensive, especially with cryptocurrencies. Okay, the rally we have in 2-3 weeks ago, perfect. If you have profits, if you make money, perfect. Congratulations. Okay, but remember, I said to you, please don't get too greedy. Okay, don't be like, oh my, yes, to the moon, all in, 100x, because we are not in the same bull market as before, well, in my humble opinion, of course. I don't see the bear market, not yet, because the sentiment is still bullish. Why? Because people, retailers, are still buying garbage. They are still buying NFTs. Like one of my friends, he bought a frog NFT, for example. Hello, my friend. Hello. So, as long as I can see people buying, I see people buying these kind of things, and media saying Bitcoin is the future and cryptocurrencies is gonna be blah 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 blah. I am very defensive, okay, because too many newbies in the market, too many retailers. So, in some point, actually in January, December 2021, I said this is a monthly breakout, and you will see this is like this. Okay, so I can say right now, if I see the 5-day chart closing like that this month, May or June, be ready. Be ready, because we will see something very, very bad for Bitcoin. Okay, this is very bullish, very, very bullish. I am very bullish on USDT, and I think it's very important to tell you this right now, because, well, call me crazy like 2021. Again, call me crazy in February, March, when I said Bitcoin is gonna move, it's going to the moon a little bit, yeah. And you know what? It's gonna be very interesting in this projection, because I posted a video. Remember? I don't know if you watched this. In my main page of my video of this channel, I posted my prediction for 2022, and I said Bitcoin 69, yes, okay, and then we will have this ABC correction, and from here, Bitcoin to zero, right? So here, the question is here or here? That is my question right now, based on the USDT dominance, okay? Of course, you can call me crazy, again, no problem, yeah? The question is here, where, here or here? But new ATA or something like that, I don't think so. Especially if I see USDT dominance bullish like that. No, no thank you. So, we have very important week very important close. I am not expecting that is going to happen right now, because I think based on 1 day chart, 4 hour, 12 hour, blah blah blah, all it is I said about Bitcoin, I am expecting Bitcoin is going to test at least other test to $47,000, or maybe even higher, around 51. Yes, because the trend is your friend. In 1 day chart, I cannot be bearish right now, of course not. But the biggest alarm I want to share with you is, if I am totally wrong, if Bitcoin close this weekend below 42, be ready for this scenario. I am not saying Bitcoin is going to crash like this, of course not. You will see some corrections, right? Like this. So let me show you here. Something like this, right? Something like this, right? So it's not like this, right? It's not Shiba Inu, okay? So just careful with your investments, careful with your trades. And remember, we in this channel, I am just sharing realistic technical analysis. I am not sharing like, oh yeah, Bitcoin is gonna, well, to 1 million. No, okay. And well, good luck. Good luck. Just I think it was necessary to share this with all of you guys. Of course, I can be totally wrong. First rule: don't listen a YouTuber. Okay, just think I'm crazy. I didn't say anything. This is just for for studying and learning. Okay, I'm sharing my technical analysis and how I can see I see the markets right now, and in general I am defensive. Okay, so I think April we will see a rally. Yes, April, yes, but maybe May or June, if I see that kind of closes in USDT dominance, no thank you. I don't want to be there. Well, I will be there shorting. Shorting. Now, the second biggest thing here I want to show you here is the Bitcoin dominance. Something is happening right now. It is very, very important. Okay, let me show you here. We have the 5-day chart here, and we have the setup. Okay, first of all, we have accumulation in 5-day chart. We have the choppiness index is getting ready to move. That means it's in the highest point right now here, and also this month, I am telling you this month, if we see the seller line here testing here the curve, and this one is not breaking the previous low 40, in the next buy signal here by the end of this month, you will see a massive explosion here, and that means USDT dominance bullish, Bitcoin dominance in consolidation in the lows. And if you don't know alt season, how to identify alt season, there is a very my way of how to identify alt season. Well, if you are especially new, you are coming from 2020, 2021, well, maybe you don't know this. You have your alt season when Bitcoin is testing the major resistance in macro time frames around 0.61, 62. When the dominance is very high, you will see, of course, pain in the market, yes, but when you see this asset breaking key levels here in this dump, you will have your macro alt season like 2020, 2021. Okay, when you see this in the lows here, or is in range in the highs here, well, especially here is Bitcoin is getting ready to go to the upside here in the Bitcoin dominance, and that means many people will start cashing out all their money from altcoins. And all your favorite, your next Bitcoin, all your altcoins here, they will be just destroyed. Okay. So, regardless if you are buying the next Bitcoin or the next whatever you want to buy, just I want to show you something, especially if you are from the new generation, right? Like 2020, 2021, and you are here because you are thinking Ethereum is very cheap at $4,000, right? Good luck. Yeah. In the previous really destructive market, bear market, the peak of Ethereum was at $1,500 and crashed all the way down to $80. Okay, so this is a bear market. Okay, in my humble opinion, we are in a massive distribution pattern here in the highs, and if I am right with this, of course, call me crazy, no problem. But here, if I am right with my technical analysis in macro time frames for Bitcoin dominance and everything what I said, you will see this beautiful correction And all the people who are buying here because they are thinking Ethereum, Bitcoin, whatever is very cheap, wait for it. Okay, wait for it. Okay, guys. This is my humble opinion. Okay, of course you can do whatever you want. Of course, I am not a financial advisor. Just I am telling you based on my experience in previous cycles what I saw, because I was there and no one told me what to do in that time. So believe me, I learned in a very difficult way. Okay, so let's continue now with the technical analysis for altcoins. Okay, so let's talk about well, I'm gonna start with Cardano. Well, Cardano, we have buy signal, yes, here, but the time is almost over for Cardano. Let me tell you why. If Cardano this month is touching the zero line here in the curve or the squeeze, whatever you're watching, and is still below the MA55, especially below $1 with 20 cents, this is like this. Okay, so if you are bullish on Cardano, you wanna see Cardano this month closing about $1 with 25 cents or $1 with 30 cents. Yep, here. Remember, this is a macro area of supply. So that means for me, March, more than 1 year, Cardano was in $1 as was holding this as support, yeah, or area of demand, and now it's acting as a major resistance right now here, this area. So if you see Cardano this month closing below there, this month, the time is over. The time is very important here, and you will see in the next sell signal here continuation to the downside, and finally you will see my targets 0.40, 0.10, and so on. Okay, so let's continue with other altcoins. Sorry, 1 day chart and 4 hour chart, because 1 day chart we talked about it yesterday. So in 1 day chart we are still in potential reversal, yeah, in 1 day chart, and here this is the bounce I am talking about in 4 hour chart, right? Many altcoins that have the same setup here. This is an 55 for what? Keep falling. Okay, so let me show you. We have we have the buy signal right now here in the curve, yes. And in the moment when you see the ADX getting negative here, there is a very high probability you will see Cardano testing around 1.15, around here. Okay, so let's continue with other altcoins. Luna, Paco, I think I checked Luna weekly chart. I checked many times. Okay, I'm gonna do it again for you, but I think I did it yesterday. Luna, okay. Luna. Okay, first of all, long time ago I said when it was at 65, 61 or something like that, I think in February, yes. I want to see for Luna a bear divergence in weekly chart, and I'm gonna start looking for shorts, right? Technically speaking, we have, yes, confirmation, not yet, because the ADX is still positive here, but let me tell you something, my friend Paco. Right now, today, this week, or all this month, you can expect Luna maybe is gonna hit maybe higher prices, yes, maybe yes. But in some point, the ADX is gonna be negative here, maybe this month or next month, maybe May, and you will see a beautiful bear divergences here forming in your favorite altcoin, Luna, right? And you know what is gonna happen? Tell me, what is gonna happen for Luna? Yeah, all in, right? Bear divergence in weekly chart, ADX negative, all in, $1,000 Luna, right? That is the conclusion. Let me show you as example with my favorite altcoin, Cardano. And I think this one is very very good for you to understand what is gonna happen. Okay, Cardano to the moon, right? Yes. Even I have some friends, they told me Cardano is gonna reach $5, no, $30 to the moon. Okay, to the moon, right? And I said to them, okay, Cardano right now is bullish, yes. I'm gonna buy? Never. Let me show you. ADX when you see this, and you see it's negative here, you will see Cardano doing something like this, bear divergences here, and my target is gonna be the MA55 in the long term, okay? And my projection, because you can see that in my profile, actually, you can check that in my profile, in my, let me show you here, because I actually have the projection here. Ideas, yes. Okay, Solana, Matic, and Bitcoin, Cardano here. You see, bear divergences here, and what happened after that? Hit, and I posted this one in August, September 2021. Okay, so never mind. So the point here is when you see this, well, Cardano to $5, right? So what happened after that? Bear divergences. You see, Cardano testing new highs, yes, to the moon, and after that, ADX getting negative here. First warning, of course. Next week, what we have? More downside, and after that, bye-bye. So this is the healthy pullback, right? By the pullback, yes, by the pullback, yeah. And here is the moment when you see Cardano doing this. Well, the next target, of course, is the MA55, around $1 with $1 actually was my long-term target. I was in short at $2 with 60 cents, 50 cents around there, and I was in short Solana, Cardano, and Bitcoin for almost 2 months, 3. And look at this. Well, watch this chart, and now tell me, Luna, what do you think is gonna happen to the moon, right? $1,000, yes. Of course, I am telling you this is gonna happen in 3 months or 4 months, maybe in September, October, who knows? But as investor, I will never buy here, never. Okay, never. So just careful. Okay, so let's continue with other altcoins. Mana, One Day, and Dot. Okay, Mana. Mana, where is Mana? Okay. One Day chart. Impressive. Very good chart. Very good. Very good. I really like it. Thank you for telling me. I'm gonna buy this. Thank you. Very good chart. Let me show you why. You are in the lowest point of Mana right now. Okay? Of course, if this level breaks, Mana to 0, of course, right? But let me show you here. We have the curve here, testing the 0 line, and this asset is not crashing. That is the most important thing. It's not crashing. So that means when you see the buy signal here, well, Mana maybe is gonna start testing around maybe the MA55. So first of all, my friend, I am not financial advisor, but if you don't buy there, where are you gonna buy? Okay, so Dot. I think Dot is the same. Dot. I really like the chart of Dot. Yeah. Testing MA55 here. Yes. Dot to 0, right? Yeah. Dot to 0, of course. Of course, we don't have buy in this weekend. Wait for this weekend confirmation. Same as Bitcoin. Sideways here, like this. Okay. Of course, we don't have entry in 1 day chart. Of course, not. You have to wait. Yes, but look at the volume. The volume is healthy. Okay. So long-term targets for Ethereum. Okay, the average crash for many altcoins in average, okay, is 98%. So for example, if I am right with my technical analysis, blah 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 blah, thinking like Ethereum $4,000, it was the top, yeah, from the top, thinking in that way, yeah, because I'm gonna be like Nostradamus right now. If this is around 5,000, right? Is this the top? Yeah. 90% is around 400. 98 is around 200. Of course, I am not expecting. Let me tell you something. breaking $2,000 area, there is nothing to support Ethereum in the macro timeframes. There is no volume here. Okay, of course, just study the charts here in the past. Yeah, here bear market 94. So think about 80, 90. Okay, around 400, 500. Okay, as I said, wait for confirmation, right? Because I am sharing in the beginning of this live stream my speculation just based on my experience, and also because I like to watch macro timeframes. I like to anticipate, because that is my job, trying to anticipate the moves in macro timeframes, because I want to know the big picture before to enter in the markets. Okay, so for me that way is working. But I don't know your goals. Maybe you are a long-term holder and you said, no, this guy is crazy, and my favorite YouTuber said is for 2022, I don't know, $10,000 is the area. Yeah, in the long term, yes, I am expecting Ethereum will hit 10,000, yes, but not this year. Okay, so I'm gonna buy. I am not financial advisor, my friend Paco, but I'm gonna buy mana for long term. Long term, okay. Weekly charting mana is very good. If you want to know my thoughts about macro timeframes, I have a channel for investing. I mean, long-term targets, like for example here. But let me show you. Here we have buy signal here. ADX getting negative here. The most important thing here, mana has enough time to do something interesting here. Of course, in validation, yes, breaking $2. Well, breaking $2. Of course, I will cancel my positions, right? Okay, so let's continue with other altcoins. Okay, let's talk about Solana. Solana is a very good example what I'm speculating for Bitcoin today, tomorrow. Look at this. We have here ADX negative here, right here. Yes, here. Okay, let me tell you something. The curve, we have three colors for the curve. Okay, the pink and the between pink and purple, something like that. And this one is like my warning, like, hey, the market is, I mean, it's about to fire a buy signal, right? So when I see this one turning green, that means the slope is getting negative. So that means this is an entry. Okay, so here I entered here last night around $115, and now what happened? The bounce. Now I have two options here, because my entry is here, yeah, around here. I have two options: protect my entry with the stop up a little bit above. For example, my entry is around 115. Protect my entry with a stop here. So if the market, Solana drops to this level, I don't care, because I didn't lose anything. That is the biggest difference, guys. People are just focusing making money, but they don't protect their own capital. You need to protect your own capital. If you don't protect your capital, how you are gonna trade? So, but I see 1 day chart. Well, do you think is smart closing my position in 1 day chart? Tell me. Of course, formally speaking, we don't have right now the setup for buying, but I am now technical for now. I am in a very good position right now around here, right? Why I need to close? Maybe Solana is gonna test around at least the previous high. Who knows? So the setup is there. If you are trading, for example, 4-hour chart, you have two options: take profits here, or just waiting for maybe more upside, more momentum to the upside. Okay. Okay, this is a very good example. Okay, so let's continue with other altcoins. Let me see what time is it. Okay, we have just 10 minutes left. Okay, so yeah, let me show you here. Someone asked me about Cadena, because actually I am in Cadena too. Here, 4-hour chart, a small accumulation here, buy signal, yes. We will see after test to maybe $6 with 88 cents, $7 maybe. And let me tell you something here. Cadena, this, in my humble opinion, this is a massive accumulation. Okay, in my humble opinion, of course. 1 day chart, look at this. It's dropping, yes. We have sell signal range, yes, you're right actually, because people are worried about this. But let me tell you something. As long as Cadena is holding this area around $6 with 28 cents, this is just sideways and accumulation here, and you will see in some point Cadena breaking up again. Here we have accumulation here. Yes, the range is between now $6 with 40 cents and $7 with 30 cents. So this is the area. This is the area I'm gonna start looking. I am looking for accumulation. Now, look at this. The ADX is good actually. Volatility is contracting here, and we are still positive here. So no problem. 3-day chart. Let me see. ADX positive here. Still in consolidation, yes, and is the 3-day chart is still positive here, as you can see here. 5-day chart, same thing. I mean, nothing happened here. Just Cadenas is still in sideways. Look at this. Every time when I am zooming out the chart, tell me what is this and what is this. Nothing happened here, and we have buy signal here in weekly chart. So if you are buying here Cadena and you want to see Cadena like this today, no, you will have to wait maybe all this month, and after that potentially you will see this. My targets of course in validation, as long if Cadena breaks $6 around here, yes, all the way down to oh my god, $2 or $3. That's why you need to manage your risk very good. But as long this asset is holding this area, my speculation is to the upside. Of course, the first area I'm gonna start looking for is around $10. Second area is 15, and maybe other test to the previous high. Okay, but as I said before, risk management is the most. Okay, manage risk. Okay, let's continue with Link. Link rejection here. Rejection here. Yes, as long as holding the $14, nothing happened here. It's still in sideways in macro time frames. And look at this, testing the MA55 here, and potentially reversing the trend. It's in progress. Okay, we need to see more sideways here and buy signal here, and after that, other test to 15, 18, in the long term maybe 26. Okay, as I said, guys, I think we have just this month in green, because usually 1-day chart trends, in this case for Bitcoin, is around 1 month, 20 days. Something like that. So as I said before, in Bitcoin, invalidation is very easy. If Bitcoin breaks close actually the weekly chart below 42, all the things I said, oh, this guy is wrong. Yes, I was wrong. Okay, so but just I am following my system and my way of trading, of course. Okay, here. Now let's talk about something else, because okay, yeah, I think altcoins, no. Okay, I want to show you something else, gold, but gold in a different perspective. Okay, we have buy signal here, there's consolidation here, more upside, yes, in 1-day chart. Okay, easy. Monthly, we have the ADX positive and monthly bullish. Yeah, what is this telling me? Remember, I'm very sad about the war, right? And this kind of things happening right now, but someone around the world, who I don't know who, maybe they are following my technicals. No, I'm kidding. But it's very obvious they are accumulating here. This is accumulation in monthly. Someone since 2020, all this area is accumulating gold. I don't know what they are gonna do. Maybe new order, right? Something like that, but this is like this. And be careful with this, because when you see gold in monthly bullish, use the dominance bullish in monthly, usually is not very good for stocks and cryptocurrencies. This is the only thing I can say. Let me show you the last chart here in 2-month chart. We have range or falling, yes, but something very interesting I want to show you. Because gold doesn't have OBB. Gold is not using volume. So here, the ADX is positive here. So that means this asset is in range. But as long as this is positive here, we are in a monthly bi-monthly breakout. Okay, and 3-month chart, the last chart I want to show you here, to the moon, you see, buy signal 2016, this is to the moon, and you will see in some point, maybe next month, breaking $2,000. If you see gold breaking $2,000, be ready for a very interesting move in the stock market. Very interesting move. Okay, so let's continue with this asset. Okay, then 1-day chart, same as Bitcoin. I think I checked this one. If you did okay, this is the pullback, reversal, and like this. Okay, formally speaking, you have to wait maybe this weekend, and when you see this signal here, yes, you can start thinking here, but there is no other way. I mean, that's it. Gold miner index, it has volume. Oh, really? I didn't know. Let me see. Gold miner. This one, right? Which one? Could you share the symbol, because I don't know. Volatility index, Nasdaq. Okay, please share the symbol when you have time, okay? Because I would like to see it with volume. It will be very interesting. Okay, so I think that's it, guys, for this live stream. Yeah. Okay, recap for Bitcoin. 4-hour chart, same thing. Bitcoin sideways here, and my speculation here is the bounce. We will see the bounce around 44, 45, and that's it. And that's it. It's the only thing I can tell you. As long Bitcoin is in sideways between 42 and 43, like this, in 1-day chart is to the upside. That's it. Now the last thing is weekly chart. Just watch Bitcoin most close about the MA55 around 42. As long Bitcoin is above 42, everything is okay. Now, okay, let me see, because this one. Bullish, weekly chart bullish, monthly. Oh my god, very bullish. Monthly breakout in progress. 2 weeks bullish. Oh shit. Oh shit. Okay. Thank you for sharing this chart. I am bullish in all the time frames. I am very bullish. Bi-monthly, ADX positive here, monthly breakout, this enemy 55. This is a trend reversal. This is a trend reversal in my monthly. Trend reversal, my friends. Here, this is the move of Bitcoin, remember? Well, you have this in macro time frames for gold. Breaking the biggest area, above the MA55, sideways, and after that, what? You see? This is a very, very good example when it's a reversal. Okay? Yeah. Next area in the long term for this asset is about around here. 52.60 is the target I'm gonna start looking for gold for this asset in the long term. I mean this year. So now I am even more defensive for altcoins and Bitcoin. Okay, be careful, just take care with your capital and be ready for this. Okay, I hope I can be wrong. I want to be wrong, because this is not healthy, and if we see something like this, many people who are not involved in financial, they have no idea what they are doing, because actually that is the reality, right? 90% of the population, they don't know anything about money. You will see many people suffering in the world. Very sad for that. Okay. So let's Tesla 1 day. Well, my monthly is interesting. Well, this is okay. I think 1 week ago I said here, no thank you, no thank you, but we have the pullback right now. Now it's different. We need to see the sideways here. As long as about the MA55 here around $1,000 and it's holding this area, if I see buy signal, let me see. No, you have to wait maybe 1 week here, maybe next week. In some point next week, as long as holding the $1,000, I will set here. Be careful here because here is to the upside. Okay, other test to maybe $1,000 with 200 here is gonna be the area, and yeah, but you have to wait. As I said, I will say wait for maybe 1 week here and wait for the confirmation. I am mostly based on the current price action. I am not expecting this asset testing the zero line. Actually, I am expecting to see something like this, something like this. That means higher prices for this. Volume is very healthy for Tesla, but as I said, wait for confirmations here, because even, I mean, when I say wait for confirmation, wait for sideways here, okay, sideways here, and you need to see this asset is confirming this area as a new, is consolidating here, closing very close to the resistance right now, because the probability is like this, okay, because you are in the highest point right now here, so that means you go long right now. If you don't have confirmation, well, you will get wrecked. You don't wait for confirmations. Okay, don't chase the market. That's it. Okay, so let's continue with other altcoins. Sorry, with other stocks or altcoins, whatever. 4 minutes left. Okay, so let's talk about. Yeah, there is one coin I didn't know about this one. Well, I don't know the name of this one, but someone sent me, this altcoin is to the moon, right? To the moon. Technically speaking, yes. But of course, you know my rules. I will never buy here. Never. I will wait for the pullback here. As long as about $2 with 80 cents, this is like this. Okay. So today chart is looking constructive here. And 3-day chart, yes, same thing. But I will never buy a green candle here. I don't have data, so I cannot help you with more. Okay. This is healthy. This is healthy. I like it. Now, someone asked me about this one. I don't know what is this. But this is like this. This is like this in some point this month. I mean, many altcoins, guys. If you see this signal, right? I saw, well, especially you're in the investing channel, we were talking about this 3 weeks ago, 1 month ago, almost 1 month ago, right? I think you are in green right now. But timing is very important. I want to see all the altcoins, like for example this one, Mana, other coins, this month moving to the upside, because time is very important. If you don't see, for example, Cadena, Mana, other altcoins in weekly chart moving to the upside, and they are testing the zero line here, well, that is the moment to cancel your positions in weekly chart, because the next sell signal is gonna be very bad. Okay, so be careful with. For me, April right now is very important in the markets. We need to see more upside. Okay. Okay, so let's continue. Okay, 2 minutes left. I think. Yeah, someone asked me about Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu. Okay, Shiba Inu looks like it's an accumulation in the weekly chart. Yes, and it closed about 2,676. What is this? I don't know. Cents? I don't know. You will see it up to 3,000, 4,000, maybe higher. Yes, just this month. You don't see this meme coin moving in April as many other altcoins, as I said before. It's the time to start thinking closing positions or cancel positions. Okay. I never saw. I'm curious. It's gonna be my first time watching this asset, because I don't know. Let me tell you something, and I will tell you based on my experience why Elon Musk bought. Okay, first of all, maybe he was watching my technical analysis, and the reason why he bought is because you are in the best area to buy. $30. Let me guess, he bought around here, right? Yeah, I think he was following my technicals. You don't buy here. Where are you gonna buy? Here is the buy in weekly chart. We have buy signal here. This in the area of demand here. This is the area, $80. Of course, now people in FOMO, retailers, they are here, right? To the moon, right? To the moon, because Elon Musk bought. You know what is going to happen right now? Like this. Testing the MI55 here, correction here. And I am not expecting this asset is going to test this level again. Maybe sideways here. We have a gap here in weekly chart. That is, gaps for me are like, is when people, retailers are in FOMO and they are just buying because they are stupid. Sorry, I don't want to be offensive. Okay, so March 15, yeah, here, February, here, he bought here. Oh, his financial advisor is very good actually. Yeah, he bought the bottom. Yeah. The sell Tesla and the stocks was very obvious last year. Last year was, I mean, September, October, November. That they were the months for selling stocks, crypto, everything. That's why I was out of the markets in November, in October, November. Here. December. Here. According to my system, of course, right? Around $1,000 with $1,070 was the sell signal here. From here, the projection is testing the 55, and after that we have buy signal here again and testing the previous high here. Yeah, and also we have the rejection with OBB in weekly chart. Okay, so let me check BABA because I am still here. Very good. Bullish divergences here. Yeah, in weekly chart. OBB is above the MI55, testing the MI21, perfect. Sideways here, and long-term target is 200. Very easy. This one so far, this was one of my best trades. I catch the bottom here around 75, 76. Very good. Let me see Facebook because I am in Facebook actually. Yeah. My position is around 200, 197, 96, around here. Sell signal, look at this. Yeah, Facebook is garbage, right? Facebook is garbage, yeah. No one is using Facebook anymore, so that social network is gonna crash, blah, 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 blah. Look at this. We have 88 negative here, buy signal this week. So my potential target, of course, is going to be the MI55 around 260 in the long term, and here, of course, this is the trade in weekly chart, of course, right? Like this, continuation, like this. But honestly, I am not expecting to see Facebook at 180 again in long time. I think, guys, I finished for today the live stream. Thank you for watching, and I'm sorry about the trading programs. Some people are asking me in the Discord. I am busy because I'm gonna launch a new platform about trading this month. I wanna show you is a tool for traders. For example, I don't know how many of you are using a trading journal. If you are a very disciplined trader, because I know you are, you have the record of all your trades and you know exactly your performance, win rate, and this kind of things, right? I know you know. But just in case you don't have it, well, I will launch a platform for this, and it's gonna be free. You can use it. Yeah. So having fun developing applications and software and tools for traders, from traders, for traders. Okay, guys. So I think I finished my technical analysis for today. Let me see. The last one I want to check is the. I don't know why I need to check this, but you know, sometimes people they like to buy these kind of things. Okay. This asset is in downtrend in 4-hour chart according to this chart. Every time when it says in MI55, breaking, and I'm gonna keep it in the same way as long I don't see something different. So any test you have to the MI55 or MI21 is a sell. Lowest point is here is $10. breaking $10, I have no idea, to zero. Okay, like million token, for example. Okay, Axe Infinite. Okay, sorry, it's because I am watching my message in my some people are sending me message in private on Discord. Okay, we have buy signal right now in the curve here. The ADX is gonna be negative maybe today. You can expect other tests to maybe around 58, something like that. In 1-day chart, let me see. Okay, you have to wait here. A little bit defensive here, because this move broke the MA55 here. So you need to wait for the buy signal here, and this asset must hold here. Not breaking hard, just hold here, and potentially you will see other test to maybe 66, 68 around here next week. ADX, sorry, OBB is not healthy anymore in 1-day chart, so I will be very defensive here, very defensive. Let me see the weekly chart if I can tell you something else. No. This is not great. Okay, same as other altcoins. Just this month, you see the curve testing the zero line, and this asset is not above 68 this month, to zero. Okay, to zero. Simple. This month. Remember, this technical analysis, we are in the second month. Remember, my technical analysis for weekly chart is 3 months. March, okay, good. April, we are here. If we don't see this asset moving to the upside this month, based on this setup, cancel everything by the last week of April. Okay, so audio. Binance. Good, it's good. Look at this, my friend. ADX positive, you have buy signal here. Testing the MA55 here, yes. But the most important thing here is above the point of control, or the area of supply here. As long as above $1, you could see sideways here. But the point is, you have the ADX positive. I mean, as long as you have the ADX positive here, you will see sideways here. And in the long term, I mean, talking about maybe this month, I wanna see other test, other leg up, maybe potential $2 with 30 cents. Yeah. But in validation, yes, easy. If you see breaking $1, well, time to cancel. Okay. Okay, that's it, guys. I think that's it. That's it for today. That's it for today, I think. Let me see if I am missing something. Yeah, someone asked me, the last one, okay? Someone asked me about Cake. Cake is in downtrend, my friend, in weekly chart, you see. This is me 55 or 20. My maximum target was $12, reached $10, totally fine. I am staking Cake. Yeah, I am not gonna I am not selling anything, because my goal, well, you are staking, well, I think your goals are different, right? So it's the only one. So that's it. We have buy signal here. Yes, still present. This is negative, so I'm expecting more upside in the long term. Maybe yes, around $12 maximum. I don't think so. I don't think we are gonna see 20, but maximum at least 12. So just, as I said in the beginning, please just be careful. Okay, don't be too greedy. This, I mean, especially in April. Okay. Remember, the market is not like before, like last year. Okay, that's it. That's the only thing I can tell you right now. Okay, last one, Simon. Okay, FTT. Is this one? You say use one. Choose which one. FTT or NSS? What? Yeah. Which one? I'm gonna choose one, because we have cryptocurrency, or we have this one. You say stock. Okay, I think it's gonna be this one, right? Because you said this one, I mean stock, right? I think so. I hope this is this one. Okay. Okay, you didn't specify the time frame. Yeah, okay. Okay. I'm gonna check just one, okay? Just one because we don't have time. Tomorrow please ask me again because I will forget it. So this one is not a stock. This one is a cryptocurrency. Yeah, it's because he said it's a stock. Yeah, okay. Okay, Simon, this is for you. For my friend Simon. Okay. Please specify the time frame, okay? Guys, please specify the time frames. Always when you ask something, I will be happy to help, but specify the time frames, okay? Okay, because I don't know your time frame, I will start with the weekly chart. Weekly chart here, we have buy signal here, yes, in February, okay? And now we have the retest. I think this retest is the what? Is the pullback of 1 day chart, okay? So this asset is like this in weekly chart. So that means if you see a pullback in 1 day chart, what does that mean? Well, the pullback is the buy, okay? Look at this, you see? Pullback, yes, to 0, right? This asset is doing very good actually. Since it's breaking, this is sideways, and finally it looks like it's gonna start trending to the upside. Okay, 0, the curve testing the 0, and this one is not crashing as long as it's above 43. Everything is okay because this weekend you will see something like this, and after that to the moon. Yeah, to the moon. 200, 500, $1 million, right? Okay, guys, let me see. ASX. Okay, I said the last one. My God. Okay. Okay, just for you, my friend Simon. Let me do it. Simon or Simon? I don't know. Sorry if I am saying wrong your name. Okay, let me see. ASX Australian. I think it's this one, right? Australian dollar. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna check this one. Okay. So first of all, here you are in a very, very healthy uptrend in 1 day chart. You have the signal, so that means the asset is gonna enter in range here. Range, yeah. After you see the 0 line tested here, this is like this. We have the range here, and this is like this. Okay, simple. You have to wait for confirmation, of course. Let me see 1 day chart here. Oh my God, this is super bullish, my friend. This is like this. Okay, I'm not saying buy here, of course, no. Wait for the pullback in 1 day chart, but this is like this. Okay, and okay, Switzerland Coast Seafood. Okay, this one for real. This is the last one. Okay, what the fuck is this? What? What is this? My God. This look like I think even Shiba Inu is looking better. Oh my God. Oh my God. Are you sure this is a stock? It's looking like a meme. Good luck, my friend, with your NFTs. Good luck. Okay, so here. This is bad. This, I don't know. I would prefer to invest in Shiba Inu than this. Well, my humble opinion, of course. First of all, here we have previous low broken here. We don't have here potential bullish divergences here. Yes, between. Nope, no, invalidation, no, actually, no. We have this point, and in some point around zero. Around zero, we had the bullet divergences here. So the ADX is positive here. So the trend is your friend, and the trend is to the downside, and it's very, very strong. It's very, very strong. So you will see a bounce, maybe yes, when you see it's negative here and you see the confirmation in bullet divergence here, but you have to wait for confirmation. What is the confirmation? Wait for the pullback sideways here, and after that, okay, you can think to the moon, right? Yeah, well, okay. So I think that's it, guys. Thank you for watching today. Thank you so much for your help and your support. I really appreciate it, because, well, good news, right? We are gonna reach 400 subscribers in this channel. 400 subscribers. I remember when I had just around 2 or 3 and I was just talking myself here. Okay, thank you for watching, and see you tomorrow. And please think about what I said about the cryptocurrencies. And first rule, don't follow a YouTuber and don't follow a TikToker, okay? Do your own research and learn how to trade. And the most important thing is manage your emotions and control your feelings, right? I don't know, practice yoga, play with your dogs. You have kids, play with your kids. I don't know, do something. But relax. Relax. Okay? Okay, guys. See you.
You heard it here first. Bitcoin is going to